Hello naturals, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this herbal tea to grow your hair and stop hair shedding. And to begin, I'm going to be using green tea, and this particular green tea I'm using contains ginger and honey, which are great ingredients for healthy hair growth. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and cut open 2 bags of green tea, and I'm going to empty the content into a clean jar. Green tea is a powerhouse of many nutrients and vitamins. If you're suffering from split ends, dry scalp, itchy scalp, premature graying, then you really need to include green tea in your hair care routine. Green tea has lots of benefits. It contains vitamin B, which is really good in controlling hair fall. It helps in cleaning your scalp and keeping it free from all infection. So you really need to start using it. So guys, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you can see the right way of using this spray, because if you don't use it the right way, you're not going to get any result. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please kindly click on the red subscribe button you're seeing by the right side of this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can push out this video to other naturals who are looking for a way to grow their hair the right way. So guys, the second ingredient we are using is fenugreek. Fenugreek is good when it comes to strengthening the roots of your hair. It helps in conditioning the scalp. So these are the only 2 ingredients we are going to be needing for this spray. And the next thing I did here, I went ahead to add 400 ml worth of hot water, and I'm going to let this infuse for 1 hour, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like after 1 hour. So guys, for the application, I won't be using my hair. I'm using my friend's hair because this treatment is specially made for her. She recently baked up her hair. Currently now her hair is 3 months old, and I have been using my home remedy to grow her natural hair very healthy. So far so good. We've been doing so good. Like, her hairlines have grown back. She is just so amazed at the growth of her hair in 3 months. So that's why I'm placing her on a 6-month hair growth challenge using my home remedies. I'm going to be using my homemade product to grow her hair. We are also going to be using some other store-bought products, which I'm going to show you guys later on in another video. But for this particular video, I'm just making this herbal tea to help control hair fall and make sure that her hair grows healthy. And you can see from the video, I didn't do much. I just made sure I sprayed the green tea all over her scalp, her edges, and everywhere. And I went into sealing the moisture with my hair butter that I made on this channel because she has high porosity hair. So after using the spray, I made sure I used the hair butter. So guys, that was all for this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you want to join this challenge, do well to leave it in the comment section so you can know how long and how many inches you can grow in 6 months. This is an opportunity for everybody to grow their hair. So guys, thank you for watching. Till I see you all in my next video. Bye.